This is the exact step-by-step process to buy any cryptocurrency in Binance. Trust me, you don't really need a university degree in order to go through these processes to hold any cryptocurrency. Be it Bitcoin, be it BNB, be it Solana, USDT, name them. What you just need is a mobile phone and also your Binance app. So follow me through the process from the beginning to the end in order to understand how to buy any cryptocurrency when it comes to using Binance via their P2P method. Bitcoin over the last 1.5 decades has printed a lot of people money. Many people became millionaires through just holding Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrency. And you must be part of the next phase of people who become millionaires. You just need to start from small, as Bitcoin is down from $126,000 to currently trading around $75,000. Start accumulating and let's see what the future holds. So the first thing first for you to do is for you to just go and download your Binance app on either the Play Store or the Apple App Store. So once you are done downloading the app, we are using P2P method in order to demonstrate this particular process. And the P2P simple means peer-to-peer, right? It simply means from your end to other people's end, right? The app doesn't necessarily have to come in. Where it comes in is it provides an SQ services, right? And what that simple means is that if you want to buy Bitcoin, the app just hold that person cryptocurrency, right? So once the person confirms that he or she has received the money, then they release the crypto to you. The same thing happens if you are going to sell. The person send the money. If you confirm that you've received the payments, then the app release the Bitcoin to that particular person. As simple as ABCD. So it's just a party to other party trade, right? So it happens between you, let's say Ama and that of Abena, right? Or let's say between Hamdawe and that of Kobna, right? That is the way in which this particular P2P method happens. So the first thing first for you to do is for you to download the Binance app, sign in, and once you are done signing in, then you come to the app, right? So if you sign into the app, this is what you see. You see home, market, trade, features, and access. What you have to do is for you to tap on trade. And when you go to trade, you see convert, you see spot, you see P2P and alpha. Here, our focus is on P2P. So just go and tap on the P2P, right? If you go to the P2P, you see Express, you see P2P block trade. Our focus here is on P2P. If you also want, you can use the Express way to buy the cryptocurrency or whatever currency that you want to hold, right? So when you tap on the Express, they Binance simple screen and give you one particular vendor that you can buy from. But if you are looking at the P2P, a list of vendors will come, then you will have to go through them. Certified vendors, they are all of course verified. And if you also want to actually do your double verification, you can actually check through some of them, the trade they've taken over the past, and also what are their success rate and how are people rating them. Have they been giving them positive rating or negative rating? But here, for us to actually get in, what you have to do is for you to select the crypto that you want to buy. If you look at the top left corner, you see Bitcoin, right? You can see buy and also sell, right? But for the sake of this demonstration, we are going to buy and later we are going to sell. So go in and tap BTC. If you tap, you see USDT. You can use it to buy USDT. You can use it to buy BNB, Ethereum, Solana, TXR, right? Almost every currency you can use it to buy. So if you want, you can actually go and tap on USDT. So when you go and tap the USDT, what happens is that you see that all the vendors with the USDT will come, and you see the rate they are actually giving. You see that some people rates are higher, some people rates are lower. So if you see 12.16, meaning the person is offering you 12.16 Ghana cedis, equivalent to just $1, right? And also you see another vendor with 11.76. But here I want us to demonstrate on how to buy Bitcoin. So let's go back and select Bitcoin. So if you go back to select Bitcoin, you see all of them, their rate, what they are offering, right? But let's go by this particular person, Mighty GH, right? Mighty GH. And if you go, Mighty GH will demonstrate, or he's showing the amount of money you need in order to buy from him. The limit is clearly stated. So you see 100 Ghana cedis to 4,897 Ghana cedis. That is the amount of money in which you can buy. And you also have to focus. Some vendors are there, they don't accept more money, others accept more money, right? Some people, they are strictly by telecell cash, some are doing bank transfers and many other things. So for the sake of this video, I want us to use the mobile money in order to buy this particular cryptocurrency. So just click on buy, and when you click on buy, it comes, right? So what comes or what happens is that you select the amount of money you want to buy. So let's say we are going to buy 200 Ghana cedis of cryptocurrency, right? Or let's say 250 Ghana cedis of cryptocurrency, right? So what happens, you select the payment method, so MTN, then you place your order. So once you place your order, they tell you how this particular thing is, and then you read through. If you are okay, then you accept, right? Just accept. And when you accept, it comes like this, and you have to go through, make the payment, then you have to do. But mostly what happens is that if you open your app, mostly I usually want to chat the person first before I proceed to make the payment, in order to make sure that the person is active and also the person is online. So I will just ask the person, are you online? If the person respond within some few minutes, I know that the person is online. Then I will go ahead and make the payment, right? If the person doesn't respond, meaning the person is not online. So mostly within some few minutes, the person will respond. So let's wait and see. So after waiting and waiting and waiting, the person is not online. So what I'll have to do is for me to just leave and change a different vendor, right? So if you check through, you see different vendors. Let's go to number one trader. He also have a limit of 100 to 8,000 Ghana cedis. I want to buy from him, so I will just say add price has been updated. Please confirm price before you place an order. Okay, so I will just say I want to buy 250. Then I will place my order, right? And I will select mobile money as an option. So they will tell me the amount of money I'll receive. So let's try and chat this guy too and see if he's online. So are you online? Okay, let's hear from him. If he's also there, then we'll proceed and do the payment, right? We'll proceed and do the payment. Okay, so he said yes, he's online. So let me drop my number and also allow cash out for him. But trust me, if you want, you can also just transfer the money to him directly or allow your cash out, depending on what you actually want to do. So I will simply just allow my cash out, and once I allow my cash out, you see that he will actually process the payment, and I will allow, and he will drop the money for me. So I will tell him that I've allowed and see his response. So let's wait a bit and see his response, right? Allowed. So if the payment comes, I'll just approve the payment and he will actually drop that of my Bitcoin for me, right? So let's wait small. Okay, so my payment has come, so I will just approve the payment and I will wait for him to actually drop the Bitcoin, right? So once I approve the payment, the next thing for me to do is for him to drop the Bitcoin for me to actually confirm. So I will tell him that confirm, payment confirm, right? So just chat him and let him know that payment confirm, right? As simple as ABCD, right? So we are waiting, and within some minutes he will drop the Bitcoin, right? He will drop the Bitcoin. Sometimes you can go back and upload that of your payment receipt, and once you upload your payment receipt, you just select and input that you are done or you've actually transferred the money to the seller. So once you wait for the person, right, so it will actually give the person a screenshot of the payment you did, right? So what that happened, once that happened, you wait. Oh, so our Bitcoin is in. So once you wait, you'll see that your Bitcoin is finally in. So you see the number of or the amount you've received in Bitcoin, 0.002624 BTC, and that is the equivalent to that of the Ghana cedi. So once it comes, you just check the asset to know the Bitcoin you've actually received. As simple as ABCD. Now let's look at how you can actually sell the Bitcoin. But before then, if you receive your Bitcoin, then you want to rate them, you can actually rate the vendor, whether it was fast, it was actually slow, and also you can give a feedback, right? But you can also go through the same process to buy. So just go to the sell, and when you go to sell, you see that different vendors too are there. So it's the same process. Just click on the sell. And when you click on sell, you actually select or you input the amount of money you want to sell, right? So let's say we are going to sell the 250 Ghana cedis that we've buy, right? So what's happening is that you just click on and place the order, and the same process will happen. And here you'll be the one to release the Bitcoin once you also release or you receive the payment. As simple as ABCD. So that is just a step-by-step process in order to buy Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. You can select Ethereum, you can select Solana, USDT, and use the same process in order to buy and hold them for a very long time, or buy and send it to somebody else elsewhere. Maybe you want to use it as a payment method from Ghana to Nigeria, Kenya, USA, any other way. You can just use this particular method to buy cryptocurrency. If this video helped you, please consider to like, and also don't forget to hit on the subscribe button so that a lot of people will also benefit from the works we are doing here. My name is Sam Dawe. Cheers out, and let's meet at the top.